Here's another quick Excel tip. Here's something that I see people doing, and I want to encourage you to not do this when using Excel. What we have here is an individual who used the sum function, and then inside of the sum function typed a formula. That formula you've typed inside of the sum function is redundant. The sum function will sum the numbers. You don't need to add that formula. There are multiple ways to do this. We could, for example, instead of the plus sign, type a comma, and then the function will sum those two numbers. So that's an acceptable way of doing it. If you don't want to use the sum function, you can always just add the numbers together like this. When you wrap this simple formula inside of a sum function, you end up creating a redundancy. So I don't recommend that you do that. What I do recommend that you do is use the sum function and use the sum function to highlight a range of cells. That way, if you need to jump into the spreadsheet and add another number that needs to be totaled, your formula will go ahead and automatically total that up. Hopefully that tip will save you a little bit of time. Again, there's no need to put a redundant formula inside of a formula.